Okay, the robot is working, but I did have to clean the battery things, and they were in bad shape. But I did get it working. Volume seems to be working good, and looks like everything seems to be working good. And I think that it should be fine. But the battery leads are not that great. So, alright, this is the Emiglio Robot. And anyway, seems to be doing good. I do have the carrier for him. Trying to get it. Yeah, maybe he can carry something to you or for you. Or, anyway, alright. There's the carrier. So, and evidently he picks up my voice, so you know he can talk like you. So, hello. So, wherever the mic's at, I guess this is the mic. Hello. So, this is cool. So, like I say, the battery leads need to be cleaned. One is in bad shape where a battery exploded. This is my robot voice. North Georgia picker.